Yes. Good evening and hello everyone. So today we have a very special guest with us, Dr. Shailesh Hargaonkar sir. So welcome sir to the show, Puneri Talk Show.
नमस्कार.
I'll just नमस्कार. मी थोडंसं फक्त पुणेरी टॉक शो जो आहे त्याच्याबद्दल थोडं सांगू इच्छितो. It's a very recent initiative taken by Punekar News to get interaction with experts like you from different sectors. आणि आता जे काही पॅन्डेमिक चालू आहे ती सिच्युएशन सगळ्यांसाठीच खूप वरीसम झाली आहे, खूप प्रॉब्लेमॅटिक आहे, खूप प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण फेस करतोय या कोविड-19च्या पॅन्डेमिकमध्ये. तर त्याच्यासाठी आपण वेगवेगळे एक्सपर्ट्स एज्युकेशन मध्ये असतील, हेल्थ सेक्टरमध्ये असतील, लेबर लॉ असेल, लिगल सेक्टर्स असतील, त्या प्रत्येक एक्सपर्टशी आपण पुणेरी टॉक शो वरती इंटरॅक्शन करतोय. तर आजचा जो खास विषय आहे तो म्हणजे बॅक आणि स्पाइन इंजुरीज. आता आपण कोविड-19 ह्या वेळेत आपण सगळे घरून काम करतोय, वर्क फ्रॉम होम चालू आहे, विच इज लाईक वी आर अवे फ्रॉम द कम्फर्ट झोन ऑफ दॅट ऑफिस चेअर्स अँड ऑल.
Yeah.
सो त्याच्यामुळे आणि नॉट एव्हरीवन हॅज अ लक्झरी ऑफ हॅव्हिंग अ वर्क स्पेस ॲट होम. तर प्रत्येकाला काही ना काही आता थोडे इश्यूज जाणवत आहेत, पण ते आमच्यासाठी ते जरी असतील ते फारच लेमन पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह आहे. पण आज डॉक्टर शैलेश यांच्याकडनं आपण जास्त डिटेलमध्ये एक्सपर्ट पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यूनी त्यांच्याकडून जाणून घेऊयात. आपले काही प्रश्न असतील तुम्ही आमच्याकडे पाठवू शकतात. आम्ही ते प्रश्न त्यांना नक्कीच विचारू आणि जास्तीत जास्त उत्तरं मिळवण्याचा त्यांच्याकडून प्रयत्न करूयात. सो त्यात सगळ्यात आधी डॉक्टर शैलेश हडगावकर यांच्याबद्दल मी सांगू इच्छितो. सो he was a medical student from Mumbai, and he did a spine surgery training from Mumbai and England, and he has been also a global outreach scholar. So he is basically a super specialist in spine injuries, back problems, so orthopedics. And sir has been working with Sancheti group of hospitals in Pune, and it's a very both. Sir is also very well known for people in Pune, and specifically who all know Sancheti. Pune and Sancheti, it's a very good bonding because Sancheti is
Yeah.
socially also very active. Sir has been working in Sancheti since last 1 decade, and he has been in this sector, in this field of orthopedics since last 20 years. So thank you so much, sir, for giving us your time. आणि आय थिंक बरेचसे लोक सांगतायत की आपण हिंदी किंवा मराठीत संभाषण केलं तर जास्त प्रेफरेबल राहील. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ द वर्क कल्चर. सर, प्री पॅन्डेमिक म्हणजे 4 महिन्यापासून आपलं जे लॉकडाऊन चालू आहे तो अनुभव आणि आत्ताचे जे येणारे केसेस आहेत तुमच्याकडे, याच्यात बराचसा तुम्हाला फरक जाणवलेला असेल, तर त्याच्याबद्दल थोडीशी माहिती आम्हाला तुम्ही सांगणार.
Yes. Thank you, Punekar News, and for giving me this opportunity to interact with you all directly. And I am seeing that a lot of people are mentioning kindly talk in Hindi or English. So we'll mix all the possible languages, Marathi, Hindi, and English, so that it is useful for most of our viewers. Uh, I would like to tell that this is something which was unprecedented. COVID is something which we never thought of, and we always read in our books epidemic, endemic, and pandemic. Pandemic was never experienced so far. People spoke about it. Pandemic was just an entity, but which was probably 100 years back, which was experienced by people. But this is a real thing which we are experiencing, and it's a really a difficult situation for all of us in all the sectors. What is pandemic? Pandemic is something which is going all in all the continents of the globe. It is not epidemic. Endemic is in the local area or the country or continent, but this is everywhere. So this is something which is really a scary situation. And if you realize, initially when the lockdown was declared, people were excited. We never realized. We thought Modi ji gave a very good speech, and he spoke about 3 weeks, and we all thought, 3 weeks everything will be fine. We will go back to what we were doing, and this will go down. No one thought, even doctors, not the scientists, not the media, nobody thought. They thought maximum 3-4 हफ्ते में निकल जाएगा. It was always ऐसा कि हाँ कभी भी आया है कोई भी वायरस, स्वाइन फ्लू आया है 2-3 महीने में निकल जाएगा. बट अभी जो हम देख रहे हैं, दिस इज नॉट समथिंग विच इज निकल जाएगा. दिस इज समथिंग विच इज स्कैरी एंड इट इज टेकिंग लाइव्स ऑफ पीपल. And it is changing, everyone, if you just gauge, yeah, from a doctor, from a healthcare worker, from a IT industry, from an industrial worker, from media, from banking sector, from sports person, everyone's life is changing, because everyone is finding some different ways to deal with it. Initially we thought, कि IT people were very happy, हाँ चलो अभी बहुत स्ट्रेस में हैं हम लोग, हमें तो बहुत बॉसेस ने और ऑफिस ने बहुत काम करवा दिया, अभी तो अच्छा है, रिलैक्स है, घर से काम कर रहे हैं, तो आई एम हैप्पी. बट अभी दे आर ऑल्सो कंप्लेनिंग ऑफ, नो नो, दिस इज नॉट समथिंग विच वी वांट. एवरीवन वांट्स टू गो बैक टू व्हाट दे वर डूइंग, एंड that's how it is, because and the scare is increasing now. Now we are seeing its community spread, and we are getting scared to go out. We are, it is a scare of life now. It is not just like pandemic. So this is where we are looking at, and we are still
Okay.
waiting for some major vaccine or treatment to come. There are two things. One is either we should get a vaccine or treatment for this disease. We are waiting for
Yes.
the good news.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, sir. My next question would be related to the work culture specific. You would be having a lot of clients pre-pandemic, like, before this lockdown happened, which would be from specific sectors. But now there would be totally different clients, as you mentioned about IT sector people. These
Yeah.
people, हे लोक म्हणजे बहुतेक सगळ्यात जास्त खुश होते की आता आपण घरून काम करणार आणि
Oh.
एव्हरीवन ड्रेम्ड ऑफ डुईंग वर्क फ्रॉम होम. बट नाऊ पीपल स्टार्टेड फिलिंग द ट्रबल ऑफ वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, कारण की बरेचसे हेल्थ इश्यूज आता त्यांना यायला लागलेत.
Correct.
तर ते हेल्थ इश्यूज कुठले आहेत आणि कुठले मेजर केसेस आता तुमच्याकडे येत आहेत, त्याच्यावर जर तुम्ही थोडंसं.
No, I think initially I also thought, now suddenly I was little apprehensive, suddenly a lot of things are changing. But in 2-3 weeks time, we started in the later half of April, we started patients coming to us, youngsters mainly, IT and sitting job people with complaints of back pain. And then it was increasing, the neck pain, म्हणजे मानदुखी आणि पाठदुखी हा त्रास वाढत चालला होता. आणि मला वाटलं, अरे कसं काय पेशेंट वाढत आहेत, हाउ कम ये गर्दन और कमर दर्द का पेशेंट बढ़ रहा है. तो हमने देखा कि दिस इज समथिंग विच इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ सिटिंग कल्चर. दिस इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ लिटिल बोर्डम ऑफ सिटिंग फॉर अ लॉन्गर आवर्स. दिस कमिंग फ्रॉम प्रॉबली समथिंग इज नॉट नॉर्मल विच इज हैपनिंग. तो हमने जब ये देखना शुरू किया तो वी रियलाइज कि स्पाइन इज नॉट द सेम हाउ इट वाज बिफोर, बिकॉज people are sitting at home, they are sitting on the couches, they are sitting on the dining table, they are sitting on the bed, they are sitting on the floor to do their work from home when the second lockdown was announced. And this is where 3-4 weeks were passed and people were sitting. And then we started getting people talking about, अरे वो हमारे ऑफिस में सर हम पहले 8 घंटा, वो तो अच्छा था, जाके काम खत्म करके आते थे, अभी तो 10-10 12-12 घंटा काम करना पड़ता है. So we are working more than what it was required. A lot of people were talking about the meetings, Zoom meeting or Microsoft Office meeting, because normally we have analyzed, when you do a direct meeting, it takes around 30-40 minutes. The same meeting takes around 1 hour, 20 minutes or 30 minutes when you do a online meeting. In general, I am not telling that everyone does it, but this is what is been experienced. So everything is sitting, and it is creating a lot of stress on the low back and the neck. So what is happening? Muscular stresses are coming on the muscles of the neck and back. Some weird postures we are taking in the sofas, in this dining table, and we are sitting for constant time, which we are not used to. That could be the first reason. And after this 2-3 months constant, we are at home and very strict lockdown, then numbers are increasing. We are at home only, we are not going out. If at all we are going out, someone is going late in the night or early morning, people are trying to escape so that they will not be seen. Lot of societies were very strict that they didn't allow anyone to come out of the house, and they took actions. They fought with people who are walking. So all these things, probably I realized that vitamin D, which was normally low in IT and sectors in elderly, even doctors also, ये कम था. विटामिन डी की डेफिशिएंसी, जीवन सत्व हम बोलते हैं, और इसी जीवन सत्व का, और हमने लॉकडाउन के बाद में ये और कम हुआ. ये जीवन सत्व का महत्व क्या है, हम हमेशा बोलते हैं. तो ये जब ये जीवन सत्व कम होता है तो इसकी वजह से मसल फटीग होना शुरू होता है, एंड दैट इज evidence based. This is not just like there is a lot of scientific evidence for vitamin D, and that causes a lot of aches and pains. Neck pain, back pain, joint pain, all are associated with vitamin D deficiency, and probably that is also increased. Third is ergonomic. At everyone's house, we have a lot of builders who are our friends and patients, and we were talking to them how you think that the future of your industry. No one, people are they buying houses? They said yes. Now we are doing some changes in the construction where we are giving more space to the hall, some study area or some balcony we are attaching. So the people, because this is going to be there now. This looks like going to be there for good some time, or even after COVID, people will prefer to have some space in the house. So the ergonomically designed, there is nothing in most of us, even my house also, there is nothing like ergonomically designed chair for, because we never thought of sitting at home for 8 hours and studying, and we were not prepared for this. That has caused a lot of stress because height of your chair and the way you sit in the office, that most of them are ergonomically designed in most of the IT industry. They take our opinions. The HR come, they keep calling us about how we should have how much length and angle should be there for computer and your hand. All these are very, very structured, ergonomically designed things, which are not there. And probably that also could be the reason. So these three reasons we really found that one is muscular sprain, long sitting hours, vitamin deficiency, and ergonomic imbalance. These were the important factors. And the last but not the least is everyday activity. So Kamlesh, Kamlesh, you are working in Hinjewadi, you stay in Shivaji Nagar, or you stay in some part where you are going to Hinjewadi every day. So Mr. Kamlesh is going to Hinjewadi every day. So he gets up in the morning at 6:37, gets freshened up, has his tea, breakfast, runs towards the bus stop, runs towards the car station, or runs towards the parking to get his car or bike. Then there is immediate action, 20-30 minutes he drives to Hinjewadi or wherever the area, 30-40 minutes he reaches to the office at 8:39. He starts working, फिर दोस्त को मिल के आता है, फिर बॉस को मिल के आता है, एक्टिविटी चालू है, फिर लंच के टाइम में और किसको मिल के आता है, ये सब चालू है. उसके बाद में 5-6 बज जाता है, समझ में नहीं आता है. अगेन कमलेश starts running towards his car park या बाइक पार्क या बस स्टेशन where he is in action 1-1.5 घंटा, क्योंकि शाम को ट्रैफिक काफी रहता है आने के लिए. So this is what is the action graph we see. From 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. Kamlesh is constantly doing some activity. And what is happening this? Now Kamlesh is getting up. He has nothing. He has only one whole day in front of him. He's just sitting. अभी बैठने का है, लैपटॉप खोलने का है, अभी चालू काम करने का है. So what is happening? Inactivity. The sudden inactivity is like breakdown of certain action of your body parts. Like joints were in action, your muscles were in action, your ligaments were in action. Everything is suddenly dropped down to 10% or less. And that inactivity is probably causing a lot of action deprived problems like back pain, neck pain, which are the most commonest. Any car has a mechanical shock absorber. The lower back is our shock absorber, where there are discs which are taking the toll, and people are complaining about back pain.
येस, थँक्यू सो मच सर. तुम्ही खूपच डिटेलमध्ये आता याच्यात माझा अनुभव मी थोडा शेअर करू इच्छितो. आता लाईक इट्स बीन लाईक 4 months आय एम सिटिंग ॲट होम. सो तेच IT सेक्टरचं काम आहे आणि आता सडनली काम 8 तासाचंच आहे, पण आता ते इट्स बीन इन द होल डे. Like it's just 8-hour work, but I'm dividing it into different times, and it's going like 24 hours a day. कधीही काम करावं लागतंय आणि we are sleeping and working, we are sitting and working, but we are not in exact healthy posture when we are sitting or when we are sleeping. So त्याच्यामुळे even मलाही तो प्रॉब्लेम जाणवायला लागला, you know. But then awareness is very important, आणि तुम्ही जे काही पॉइंट्स मेन्शन केले ते खूप महत्वाचे आहेत. याच्यात मला अजून एक पॉइंट ऍड करायचं आहे. स्पेसिफिकली आपल्या आई वडिलांचे जे जनरेशन आहे त्यांच्यामध्ये मोस्टली लेडीज, जे आपण आता इंडियाचा विचार करतोय, स्टील दे आर इन टू होम, लाईक होम मेकर्स आपण ज्यांना म्हणतो. तर असं माझं ऑब्झर्वेशन आहे सोशल ऑब्झर्वेशन मध्ये, की युजली लेडीज जेव्हा कंप्लेंट करतात की बॅक पेन होत आहे किंवा काही बॉडी पेन होत आहेत, तर त्यांच्याकडे तर दुर्लक्ष केलं जायचं. आता तुम्हाला असा काही फरक जाणवतो आहे का? नंबर ऑफ क्लायंट म्हणजे किती फिमेल्स आहेत आणि किती मेल्स आहेत? नंबर ऑफ फिमेल्स हॅज इन्क्रीज or number of males has increased? Any specific thing, your
You
observation?
have done a very good backup study, yeah, Kamlesh. No,
No.
so looking at this, we thought we have our student Dr. Ishani Chaudhary and
Yeah.
Dr. Pradyuman Rathi, Dr. Diwakar. They worked on these parameters, and we sent
Okay.
the Google Forms to people, because we wanted to know really what's happening. And around 350 forms were sent at around 4 to 6 weeks, and we got very good responses. The response age was around 18 to 68 years, and
Okay.
around 51% males were found, and 49% females. नॉर्मली आपण असं म्हणतो, नॉर्मली हम ऐसा
Oh.
कहते हैं कि फीमेल्स में ये समस्या ज्यादा होती है, बट ऐसा नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट समथिंग कि ये लेडीज में ज्यादा होता है, क्योंकि दोज हु आर नॉट वर्किंग, जो घर में काम कर रहे हैं, तो उनको भी बहुत काम होता है. तो नाउ एवरीवन इज रियलाइजिंग घर में जो काम होता है वो इतना आसान नहीं है, काफी हेवी काम है. घर में भी बहुत सारा काम करना पड़ता है. इस कभी कभी ऑफिस इज इजियर देन स्टेइंग एट होम, ऐसा मैं बोलना चाहूंगा. एंड दोज हु आर बैलेंसिंग बोथ, जो घर में भी काम कर रहे हैं और ऑफिस में भी, तो फॉर देम इट इज नॉट दैट इजी. एंड हमने देखा कि 63% ऑफ आयटी इंडस्ट्री मेल पर्सन, म्हणजे पुरुषांनी मेल started working at home in this lockdown period. 63% was
Okay.
at least our data, yeah, so which is
Yes.
increased significantly, which they have shared at home, like छोटा मोटा काम करना है, या किसी ने इंटरेस्टिंगली खाना बनाना शुरू किया, किसी ने घर का काम शुरू किया, all these things. So this is help, and probably bonding is improved because of this lockdown, where everyone started sharing their partners at a personal level.
ओके. थँक्यू सो मच सर. सो नेक्स्ट, आता बरेचसे गोष्टी असतात जेव्हा आपण ऑर्थोपेडिक्सशी रेफर करतो. देर आर मेनी पीपल अराउंड मी ऑल्सो, लाईक त्यांना त्रास होतोय, ते व्हिजिट करतात अँड यू आस्क देम टू गो थ्रू फिजिओथेरपी.
करेक्ट.
हा एक पॉइंट मी फार स्पेसिफिकली ऑब्झर्व केलाय की दे विल कम बॅक होम आणि ते कंप्लेंट करणार की अरे काय नाही, डॉक्टरांनी फक्त आम्हाला ते व्यायाम करायला लावलाय, ते व्यायाम
Correct.
रेग्युलर करणार नाहीत, आणि नंतर तोच प्रॉब्लेम वाढत जातो अँड दे विल ब्लेम द
Correct.
डॉक्टर अगेन. सो
Correct.
फिजिओथेरपीचा इम्पॉर्टन्स काय आहे ह्या सर्व याच्यामध्ये, आणि वाय वी शुड
नाही, या मला वाटतं की सी द बिगेस्ट इंजिन ब्युटिफुली मेड बाय गॉड इज आवर ह्युमन बॉडी. आणि इफ यू डोंट सर्व इट, यू हॅव टू गो फॉर सर्व्हिसिंग. दॅट्स हाऊ इट्स, की आय विल कोरिलेट. की आपण स्वतः जर शरीराकडे लक्ष नाही दिलं, तर देन यू हॅव टू गो टू अ शॉप टू गेट इट रिपेअर्ड, ॲज सिम्पल ॲज दॅट. आणि मोस्ट ऑफ अस इन आवर बिझी शेड्यूल, आपण वी फॉरगेट की काय आपण बॉडीकडे पण लक्ष दिलं पाहिजे. थोडंसं एक्सरसाइज, some it's a kind of meditation, sorry, where you just walk sometime 30-40 minutes, or you do swimming, you do cycling, you do some kind of regular religious activity, which आपण नाही करत. जवळपास 80 to 90% of us, because of whatever busy schedule, culture, work culture, all these things, we don't get time to do that. In busy cities, your traveling time is quite a lot, आणि मग वेळच मिळत नाही. All these things really are there. But if you realize someone who is going to someone who is doing, there are some example in the society. You see someone who is senior, 65-70 years, but he's a very regular walker, or someone who is younger, 40-50, but तो एकदम रेग्युलरली जिमला जात असतो. किंवा someone is a swimmer, आणि काही जण असे 10-20 वर्ष रेग्युलर स्विमिंग करतात आणि म्हणतात अरे मला कधीच ताप आला नाही, मेरे को कभी भी आज तक ऐसा बुखार भी नहीं आया, ऐसा बोलने वाले there are a lot of people, because only one thing is regular religious activity. They are giving that energy to the body. Endurance is maintained if you do some activity regularly. So I will suggest that you don't need to do it every day, but at least 5 days is very important. If you do it 6 days, 7 days, it's up to you, but 5 to 6 days is good. One day you can take a break in whatever activity. Easiest and best is walking. Just get out, walk 30-40 minutes minimum. Slowly increase, walk, run, whatever is comfortable as per your health. That's important. Sometimes you can do cycling 1-2 days a week, or you can, if someone who likes to go to gym, light exercises, whatever, they can do that. See, all these things. Or someone likes to do Pilates, they can do Pilates. Someone, like in Pune, we have a lot of patients who like to do yoga. Yoga is also one of the excellent form of exercise. Someone gets up in the morning, रामदेव बाबांचे काही योगाचे असतात पोस्चर्स, ते करतात, नो प्रॉब्लेम, दॅट्स व्हेरी गुड. पण डोंट डू इट, ओव्हर डू इट असं नको करायला. आय विल जस्ट टेल यू एक्झाम्पल फॉर दिस. I think I told this before also once. And we had a patient, and he was around 72-year-old man. He came to me and he was in bad pain. He had a lot of severe neck pain, and 3-4 weeks pain was not settling. And he had been to some local doctor, and नंतर he was referred to me. तर मी त्यांना बघितलं, एक्झामिन केलं, असं सिरियस काही वाटलं नाही. त्यामुळे आय टोल्ड की अरे डझंट लुक एनिथिंग, लुक्स लाईक स्पाझम. ही सेड डॉक्टर इट्स नॉट गेटिंग बेटर. What all things really can cause neck pain? Let's understand. First can be a slip disc. A small disc can come out. It can irritate the nerve and we get neck pain or pain going to the arm, things like that. What other thing can happen in neck? Second is muscle. Muscle can get spasm. We get अरे spasm हो गया, गर्दन टेढ़ा हो गया, difficulty है, काम करने की इच्छा नहीं हो रही है. Third, the disc can irritate the nerve. You get pain in the arm, radiating pain. काफी पेन जा रहा है, हाथ में झंझनी, सुनापन, मुंगी येते. आपण जे म्हणतो मुंग्या येतात, टिंगलिंग, लाईक झंझनी सेंसेशन, क्लम्झीनेस ऑफ हँड. ऑल दीज थिंग्स कैन हैपन. अरे लिखने को डिफिकल्टी हो रहा है हाथ से. दिस कैन हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ अ डिस्क विच इज इरिटेटिंग द नर्व. एंड स्पॉन्डिलोसिस. हम हमेशा बोलते हैं सीनियर, अगर इफ यू सी कमलेश's अंकल हैज स्पॉन्डिलोसिस, कमलेश's ऐसे नो समवन लाइक दैट, तो वी वेरी कॉमनली अरे स्पॉन्डिलोसिस हुआ है उसको. So normally spondylosis is aging, and every one of Kamlesh will have it, Shailesh will have it tomorrow. Every one of us will have spondylosis. It is genes. It is degeneration. Is spondylosis? It's nothing different. It is going to happen to the richest of the rich person and the poorest of the poor. But the problems in spondylosis will come to 5 to 10% of the people. The wear and tear in the neck disc will be there for someone, and it will be increased. In some patients, not all of them. But if they really do some kind of a regular, simple activities, they go to a doctor, learn physiotherapy properly, because sometimes we don't realize is that we have to follow someone regularly and religiously, like a physiotherapist or a doctor who is telling you. So I'll come back to the story which I was talking, and this patient told me that, doctor, really it's in bad shape. Do whatever investigations. I said, no, you look quite okay. He said, I do exercises like anything. For last 40 years, I'm doing it. I asked him, he was very enthusiastic. काफी उत्साही होते थे. आणि मग म्हणाले की मी करून दाखवतो योगा. He said, I will do yoga. I will show you how all. तर फटाफट त्यांनी एक 5 मिनिटात सगळे. आणि some patient ना, I feel in my practice what is most important, why people come to me. They want to tell what they do, what problem they have.
Yeah.
And I need to understand first, whatever busy I am, that what problem they want to tell. So I normally listen to most of the things, whatever the patient tells me. So he was excited and he was telling me all the yoga. तो मैं करूँ दाखवू का? मैंने ठीक है करूँ दाखवा, करके दिखाइए. And then he showed फटाफट exercise करके दिखाया. 5-6 exercise ये करते हैं. And उसके बाद में उन्होंने कि डॉक्टर आता मैं शर्ट काट दो. लगे शर्ट ठीक आहे बरं. 72 शर्ट काढतो म्हणाले. ठीक आहे काढा शर्ट. He had a very good maintained physique. आणि सडनली पटकन त्यांनी he did a headstand, शीर्षासन म्हणतो ना आपण. He did a शीर्षासन and he was standing on शीर्षासन, उल्टा गर्दन पे. And then I realized what I should talk to him. मैंने उनको बोला कि ठीक है, okay, good, very good, nicely you done. And I told him कि now just take these medicines, no exercises, and come back to me after 2 to 3 weeks. Don't do this Shirshasana and any exercise now for 3 weeks. And he came back to me in 2 weeks only. He said, doctor, my pain is gone. And how come my pain is gone? I said कि अरे आप जो एक्सरसाइज कर रहे थे, जो गर्दन पे हेडस्टैंड कर रहे थे, उसका आप शायद आपको करना नहीं चाहिए. What you were at 32, you are not the same at 72. We have to understand our body is changing. You cannot keep doing things which are not right. Sometimes you are hypertensive. These things we don't realize. In enthusiasm हम करते हैं, but that's not good. Like you can do बाकी का सब चीज आप कीजिए, that's good, no problem. But this is something which I want to tell, that whatever suits you, you should do that. Don't over exaggerate things which are not required. इसीलिए physiotherapy has a big role. Learn it from them and do it at home.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. We have a question. आपण question घेऊयात. I am IT professional. I am having lot of neck pain. In X-ray of spine is normal. Blood test D3 deficiency, but still lot of pain. Any suggestion? Some suggestions related to sitting position or movement.
Correct. See, I can see this is
Sandy
Mr.
Patil.
Sandy Patil. Hello. This is a very common problem, Mr. Patil. And vitamin D deficiency can contribute to neck pain, fatigue pain. We need to wait for some time to get these levels normal in our blood. So around 2 to 3 months is the time where vitamin D deficiency takes at least that much time for coming up to the normal levels. Sunlight is a very, very important and good source of vitamin D. Normally, we talk about early morning, but we recommend 9 to 3 is a good time for having sunlight because our skin is little thick skin comparative to the Caucasians or Europeans. Therefore, 9 to 3 is a good time for having sunlight, which is a very, very good source of vitamin D. And simple, gentle exercises for the neck is important. Sometimes when you have a lot of pain, you can take an anti-inflammatory, otherwise wait. No need to rush for things. If your pain is persistent, if your pain is radiating to the arms, report to a spine specialist or a good orthopedic surgeon nearby wherever you stay.
ओके, आय थिंक सँडी पाटील तुम्हाला तुमचं उत्तर मिळालं असेल. नेक्स्ट जे आपण मिथ म्हणतो, ऑर्थोपेडिक्स रिलेटेड बरेचसे मिथ आहेत लोकांमध्ये, रिलेटेड टू स्पाइन, रिलेटेड टू बॅक पेन. आता स्पाइन मणका आपण ज्याला म्हणतो, इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट कंपोनेंट ऑफ आवर बॉडी विच कीप्स अस अपटाइट. सो मला पेन होत आहे आणि when should I approach doctor, like when is the best time that I should approach a doctor?
See, one thing, okay, I will talk about this spine. Asa म्हणाल्यानंतर one of my very close friend who is into yoga and things like that, he was telling me अरे spine खूप महत्वाचं आहे आमच्या योगासाठी because it is considered the center column. हमारे योगा में spine को बहुत महत्व दिया जाता है कि it's considered as a central column for our yoga. So spine is actually one of the important structure because it's the only structure which is holding your neck up to the lower back and whole body. All the small nerves for this action which I am doing are controlled by spine. Even my leg movement, my urine stool, all the controls are by spine. So isliye, sorry, what was the question?
So spine, जेव्हा मला पेन होतं मागे, so when should I, what is the, like, should I approach doctor immediately related to spine?
So you don't need to meet a doctor immediately. Definitely you don't need to meet a doctor immediately. Simple things, a lot of time it can be muscular sprain, aches, hot or cold fermentation, simple anti-inflammatory medicine which suits, because spine problem is very common in 80 to 90% of the population nowadays. प्रत्येकाच्या घरात, everyone's house has one patient with back or neck. It's that rampant and common. But if the pain is persistent, if the pain is not getting better, त्रास कमी होत नसेल, then you definitely meet a doctor. At least basic analysis करणं जरुरी आहे. If the pain is radiating from neck to the hand, if the pain is radiating from lower back to the legs, what we call is sciatica, आपण खूप कॉमनली म्हणतो स्लिप डिस्क झालीये, सायटिका झालाय, म्हणजे की कमरेतून त्रास पायात जाणे, मुंग्या येणे, चालायला त्रास होणे, थोडं चाललं की वाकण्यासारखं किंवा थांबायची इच्छा होणे, पाय भरून येतात की मला त्रास होतोय, आय कॅनॉट वॉक मच, माय लेग्स क्रैम्प आ जाता है. तो ये सब चीजों में वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट समथिंग प्रॉब्ली इज गोइंग रॉन्ग एंड वी शुड नॉट टेक इट लाइटली. Today is Sunday, but I just went in the morning to the hospital. I received a patient who came from periphery and he suddenly developed a foot drop. Young guy, 40 years, आणि पायाची शक्ती कमी झाली. तर मी म्हटलं अरे कशासाठी, तर थोडं नाही आम्हाला थोडी भीती वाटत होती, आणि they did a MRI scan in the peripheral area and there is a large disc which has come out and it has hit the nerve and he's lost the power of this. So we should not wait for that. The minute we start getting some symptoms, we should report it to a good doctor nearby.
Yes. आपण आता MRI चा I think आपण एक क्वेश्चन घेऊयात आधी. Question is by Prabhat Maharaj. Sir, I am having back pain in generally used Relief spray and next day it's fine for me. But I'm curious to know what can be the reason of this. I think आपण बरचसं elderly people किंवा आता 40 above जे लोक असतात त्यांच्यात हा प्रॉब्लेम आपण continuously बघतो.
No, I think very very important question, Mr. Prabhat Maharaj. नमस्ते. आप जो कह रहे हैं कि आप रैली स्प्रे यूज करते हैं तो आपको नेक्स्ट डे अच्छा लगता है एंड ये चला जाता है, कि एक दो चीज मुझे पता चलना जरूरी है कि हाउ ओल्ड आर यू. If you are elderly like 60 years or 65 70 years and you are having this, so maybe this is a early spondylosis, and you feel better next day. As far as the pain is not radiating to the legs, not to worry, but you can report to a doctor, at least get basic assessment by doing a x-ray. Simple x-ray is good enough. 90% you don't need to do a major investigation like MRI or anything. And people who need MRI are people with some kind of persistent pain, or pain is getting to the arms or legs. Yes, Mr. Prabhat Maharaj
30 years.
is 30 years. If you pain, it looks like some kind of muscular sprain or strain in the muscle or fatigue pain. There is a possibility of a deficiency of vitamin D or B12 also sometimes, which can contribute. So I think you should just check your basic X-ray and some basic blood tests. That's what I feel for Mr. Maharaj. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, sir. Next question would be, आपण spine बद्दल बोललो आता. So there are
Yes.
spine surgeries. So are like all spine surgeries like major surgeries, or like, please
Okay.
show.
नाही, important आहे कारण we have to understand की काय आहे. आणि आता see, people are scared for mainly major spine surgery, कारण suddenly आपण जेव्हा बोलतो तेव्हा spine something, I feel spine, cardiac surgery or cancer, tumor, या 2-3 surgery are little dreaded, or people are really scared for these names only. Spine surgery, अरे बापरे, पूर्ण फॅमिलीच येते. Not one person normally doesn't come. फ्रॅक्चर झाल्यानंतर 1-2 लोक असतात, पण स्पाईन म्हणाले की लोक एकदम घाबरून जातात आणि काय होईल माझं, माझ्या मुलांचं काय होईल, आणि all these things they start talking and asking. But spine surgery, why I'm talking is lot of advancements we are seeing now in 21st century. 25-30 years back in India, if you realize, in 1990s Mumbai मध्ये first time MRI scan आला, आणि before MRI there was CT scan which was for around 10 years, I would say around 1980s मध्ये आला. त्याच्या आधी ओनली एक्सरेज होते, आणि अंडरस्टँडिंग अबाउट आवर बॉडी वॉज कम्पॅरेटिव्हली लेस. त्यामुळे व्हॉट एव्हर सर्जरी होत होती त्यावेळेस आपल्याला एक क्लिनिकल प्रॅक्टिस, क्लिनिकल जजमेंट आणि एक्झामिनेशन आणि एक्सरेज त्यांच्यावरचे सम मायलोग्राम वरती आपण सर्जरीज करत असो. त्यामुळे अचूकता याच्यामध्ये थोडासा फरक, तफावत असणार, कारण टेक्नॉलॉजी नव्हती. आणि इफ यू रिअलाइज द टेक्नॉलॉजी इज getting better and better from the 90s, from Y2K 2001 onwards, or we can see in this century we are seeing significant improvement in technology, where we are seeing exactly what's happening. We are targeting by minimally access surgery, we are targeting by intraoperative monitoring by doing this surgery. So nowadays for the disc surgery we ask for patients कि हाँ आज सर्जरी करेंगे तो today only we'll make you walk, tomorrow you can go home, or day after you can go home. So this much advancement is happened in spine surgery. Therefore, it has become quite a safe surgery. But at the same time, it's a major surgery. Yes, it's not a small surgery. Spine surgery is a major surgery. And preferably, you should consider doing it in wherever you have a good experts available. And there are a lot of experts all over the country now who are doing this very nicely.
ओके, येस येस. अँड मोस्टली स्पाइन सर्जरी बद्दल जेव्हा मी विचारतोय तर माझ्या समोर स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स जे येतात मेनली, और हु प्ले स्पोर्ट्स, रेग्युलर स्पोर्ट्स, तर स्पाइन सर्जरी नंतर कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह स्पोर्ट्स मध्ये येणं, इज इट लाईक फिजिबल?
Okay, that's a very important question. And I remember Sachin Tendulkar, we all know Sachin suffered with spine problems in the 1998-99. If you Google spondylolysis, Sachin had a small crack in his lower back, very small, but he did extensively very good exercises and physio rehab, and he played for so many years. So that's a live example which we have in front of us. At the same time, we all know Tiger Woods, and in 2020, 2013, 2014 he suffered with major disc problems, and that time he had to undergo spine surgery. And all the world was because there are a lot of money involved in PGA and golfing games, so people were scared whether Tiger will come back or no. And he bounced back, he came back, and he played, and he again won the medal. And again he suffered with the problem where he got some procedure done, but he's back on his feet. If you realize, person like Tiger Woods, who is the most fit person, but still because of golfing action, some kind of wear and frictional wear has happened at his L4-5 led to
Happen.
a discogenic
Yes.
problem आणि त्यांना सर्जरीची गरज पडली. But he's come back absolutely playing and doing everything.
So consistently practicing, exercising is very important, basically.
Yes.
So we have one more question from Manav Agnihotri. I had history of paraplegia. Recovery took 6 months. Now after 18 years, at age of 39, feel can't stand for long hours and walk. Pain in right leg sometimes.
Okay.
So
Yeah, hi, Mr. Manav. I can understand that you really you really fought very well with your spine problem, and you're doing most of the activity with sometimes you get some kind of right leg pain. So I think we need to address and check what could be the reason. Clinically examine करना जरूरी है, investigations करना जरूरी है कि why you're getting this. Mostly when you have recovered very well from paraplegia, probably you will not need any intervention. But we need to check. There are a lot of things like, we do a pain block, where we target that disc and we get the patient right. You don't need to do surgery for a lot of time. We just do this pain block procedures, which is a day procedure. You come in the morning, dupari tumhi ghari, you can go home in the 4 hours time. So these are the advances which we are going along with the world now. So pain blocks, various different modalities can be done for these kind of small issues, but we need to identify the cause first.
येस. मला अजून एक इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन आहे तो म्हणजे आपलं डाएट. हाऊ डाएट इम्पॅक्ट आवर बॉडी, आणि जेव्हा स्पाइन आणि बॅक इंजुरीज हेल्थ बद्दल आपण जेव्हा म्हणतोय, हाऊ शुड बी आवर डाएट, व्हॉट प्रिकॉशन्स वी शुड टेक?
No, I think normally I will again I have spoken about this before, and I will tell you now also. I had a patient who came to me. Marathi बोलला चालेल का? This is a little story which I can talk on Marathi. Sorry viewers, those who will not understand Marathi, this is a little small story. I'll just talk and then I will try to explain. पेशंट क्लिनिकला आला आणि खूप सोनं वगैरे होतं त्यांच्या गळ्यामध्ये, हातांना वगैरे, आणि लॉट ऑफ थिंग, ऑर्नामेंट्स वगैरे. आणि ते आले, त्यांच्यासोबत 3-4 लोक पाठीमागे आले. आल्याबरोबर क्लिनिकला नॉर्मली गर्दी असते. तर दिस इज 1-2 वर्षापूर्वीची गोष्ट आहे, आणि 1-8 वर्षापूर्वी. आणि मी जेव्हा त्यांना बघितलं, तपासलं, तर म्हणजे आल्याबरोबर एवढं असं बघितल्यानंतर ते स्टाफचं एकदम पळत मध्ये आलं, सर ते कोणीतरी आलेत वगैरे असं. दे आर ऑल्सो की क्युरियस अबाउट समवन विथ सो मच ऑफ गोल्ड ऑर्नामेंट्स, आणि द एक्साइटमेंट फॉर पेशंट्स हू आर वेटिंग आउटसाइड ऑल्सो. त्यांना की अरे बापरे, म्हणजे कोणी बघितलेलं नसतं असं जास्त करून. तर ते आले माझ्या क्लिनिकला. मग वेन आय एक्झामिन हिम, तर मी त्यांना विचारलं काय त्रास होतो. तर ते म्हणाले की मला डॉक्टर खूप मानदुखीचा त्रास आहे. तर मी बघितलं, अरे बापरे, म्हणजे 4-5-6 किलोचं तर सोनंच होतं त्यांच्या गळ्यामध्ये. तर म्हणलं की मे बी तुम्हाला हे सोनं असल्यामुळे होतं का त्रास? नाही म्हणे, असं नाही, मी आता 3-4 महिने झाले, त्रास मला हमेशाच होतोय, हे काढलं तरी त्रास होतो म्हणे. मी म्हणलं ठीक आहे. तर मग त्यांनी, ही वॉज व्हेरी व्हेरी की ही वॉज व्हेरी इंटेलिजंट गाय. त्यांना सर्व माहित होतं की त्यांनी एक्सरे केला होता, त्यांच्याकडे MRI होता. त्यांनी मला सगळी स्टोरी सांगितली. म्हणलं की मग ठीक आहे, मग तुम्ही मला जरा ते सगळं सोनं काढून टाकवा, जरा मी तपासतो तुम्हाला. तर एक 10 मिनिटं लागले, 10-15 मिनिटं लागले. मग मी दुसऱ्या रूम मध्ये जाऊन तोपर्यंत 1-2-3 पेशंट बघितले, तोपर्यंत त्यांना ते सोनं काढायलाच वेळ लागला तेवढा. आणि दे केप्ट इट ऑन माय टेबल, बिग अमाऊंट ऑफ गोल्ड आय नेव्हर सॉ इन माय लाईफ. आणि सगळ्या अंगठ्या काढत काढत त्यांना बराच वेळ लागला सगळा. आणि मग नंतर मी ठीक आहे, एक्झामिन हिम. तर देर वेर नो सायन्स, असं काही विशेष नव्हतं. ही वॉज मॉडरेटली मिड एज असं, आणि देर वेर नो मच मेजर सायन्स किंवा असं काही नव्हतं. तर मी म्हणालो की MRI बघूया. आणि माय फेलो शोड की MRI मध्ये पण असं काही विशेष नव्हतं मानेमध्ये. नेक ऑल्सो वॉज क्वाइट ओके, अँड एग्जामिनेशन वॉज कम्प्लीटली नॉर्मल. तो आई थॉट कि व्हाट कुड बी द रीजन. एक्सरे देखा, एक्सरे भी सब ठीक था. तो आई सेड कि नाउ ही, तो म्हणाला की 4-5 डॉक्टर झाले ऑलरेडी, 4-5 डॉक्टर्स को ऑलरेडी मैं दिखा चुका हूँ डॉक्टर, अभी आपके पास आए हूँ, अभी ठीक होके जाने का है, आपका नाम सुन के आए. तर मैं बोला ठीक आहे. तर आता काहीतरी आपल्याकडे असलं पाहिजे की रामबाण, आता काय करावं म्हणलं. तुम्ही व्यायाम, अरे डॉक्टर ते फिजिओथेरपीच करतोय म्हणे, रोजच करतोय. मी म्हणलं ठीक आहे. तर त्यांना म्हणाल की एक काम करूया आपण, थोडं तुमचे ब्लडचे तपास, तुम्ही सनलाईट तुम्हाला मिळतो का म्हणलं, तुमचं एवढं बिझी काम असं. तर डॉक्टर, ओपन रूफची कार आहे म्हणे माझ्याकडे, दिवसभर सनलाईटच असतो म्हणे अंगावरती. तर मी अरे बापरे, आता हे पण झालं, आता काय, म्हणजे मला काय सुचना त्यांना ट्रीट कसं करावं. तरी म्हणलं एक काम करा, तरी ब्लड टेस्ट करून आपण बघूया म्हणलं. विटॅमिन बी आणि D3 काय बऱ्याच वेळेस असतं, तर आमच्याकडे 2 तासात मिळतं संचेती हॉस्पिटलमध्ये. आणि म्हणलं की हे करून या. मग ते गेले ताबडतोब 2 तासात ते वापस पण आले. त्यांना रिपोर्टही लोकांनी पटापट दिला तिकडे आमच्या पॅथॉलॉजी डिपार्टमेंटनी. आणि मी बघितलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये विटॅमिन डी वॉज नॉर्मल आणि विटॅमिन B12 वॉज लो. तर नॉर्मली आपण म्हणतो की विटॅमिन डी इज बिकॉज ऑफ डेफिशियन्सी ऑफ vitamin sunlight and things like that in food, and vitamin B12 is deficiency in food mainly because normally vitamin B12 is you get it in fish or non-vegetarian
Yes.
food. विटॅमिन B12 हे आपल्याला नॉनव्हेज फूड किंवा फिश मध्ये मिळतं आणि विटॅमिन डी हे नॉर्मली जीवनसत्व आणि सनलाइट मध्ये मिळतं.
Yes.
ते दो चीज. तो हाँ था आई सेड कि हाँ अभी तो मिल गया, कुछ तो अपने को मिल गया कि विटामिन डी इज नॉर्मल बट विटामिन B12 कम है.
12.
तो देन मी म्हणलं अरे तुमचं विटामिन B12 खूपच कमी आहे म्हणलं की तुम्ही काय नॉनव्हेज वगैरे खाता की नाही. ते म्हणे डॉक्टर सकाळचा ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच आणि डिनर फक्त नॉनव्हेजच खातो म्हणे.
Oh my God.
So now he was eating non-veg all the time. Still, he had a vitamin B12 deficiency. Then what I thought? Then I said, I have to use something, some brainy trick I need to do. So I told कि probably तुमचं नॉनव्हेज जरा जास्त होत आहे. There is a negative balance, कि we have something nitrogen, ammonia. The negative. If you eat too much, that's also not good. So like maybe you reduce your amount of non-vegetarian food. That could be the reason for your निगेटिव्ह बॅलन्स इन युअर बॉडी ऑफ विटामिन B12. आणि त्यांनी 6 महिने एकच वेळेस नॉनव्हेज खाल्लं. ही केम टू मी आफ्टर 6 मंथ. म्हणजे डॉक्टर तुमचं डायग्नोसिस बरोबर होतं, माझं जरा नॉनव्हेज खाणं जास्त होतं त्यामुळे. आणि ही केम बॅक आफ्टर 2दा-3दा आले इन बिटवीन आणि ही बिकेम क्वाईट अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. ही गॉट बेटर. काही करायची गरज नाही पडली त्यांना. पण मला वाटतं की गुड फूड, ग्रीन लिफी व्हेजिटेबल्स, those who are vegetarians remains vegetarians. Those who are non-veg, people should not change the way they eat, but more healthy food, less junk, less spicy food, and you should have more sprouts, things like that in in your food. A balanced diet, and I normally recommend comparatively lighter diet in the evening for most of our spine patients. Yeah.
Yes. So we'll move towards the last question probably. Hi, please speak on myofasciitis and its management.
Yeah. Hello, Mrs. Sonia. Myofasciitis is, basically it is a muscle and facial pain which a lot of people have, and this pain we see all over the body. Some people have hemibody. One side they have pain only on the left side of the face, left side of the hand, chest, arm, lower back, left leg. Some people, that's called as left hemibody syndrome, or right side only. Some people have right side. Some people have aches, pain only in the upper half of the body and torso. Some people have only back and leg. So this is a very classical syndrome, what is called as myofasciitis. And we need to check 2-3 things basically, whether there is a degeneration happening, early degeneration. Especially in females, we see osteoporosis leading cause of muscle and fatigue pain, because in females a lot of hormonal changes occur around 45 years because of nature, and therefore females do have bone weakness early and muscle stiffness, fatigue pain little early. Therefore they can have myofasciitis like problems slightly more than males. That's what we have found in our surveys. And what is important is a balanced diet. Check your vitamin B12 level, vitamin D3, if there is any deficiency. Also, most important is to check uric acid. Sometimes we don't realize uric acid is one of the important factors. If there is a deficiency, it can lead to gout. आणि आपण म्हणतो gouty arthritis, which can cause a lot of aches and pains, neck pain, back pain, joints pain, ankle pain, all these things. So this is very, very important that we should realize this basic blood test. Simple and most important is activity. You should have a regular religious activity. I'm repeating this word again. And if you are not a walker, start walking. If you are not activity, you should do some kind of activity. And a simple, if you do that walking and a simple exercise, I think that is the key for success to most of us.
Yes. So Dr. Shailesh, it's like a very insightful session for everyone. आय थिंक हा प्रश्न आपण
Yeah.
ऑलमोस्ट डिस्कस केलेला आहे. आय गेट बॅक पेन अँड पेन इन माय बॅक ऑफ नेक एरिया ॲज मेनली डुईंग वर्क फ्रॉम होम. सो I think
So,
Shailesh sir
so
has
we'll just
already
address it.
suggested.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, we'll just address it quickly. Mr. Jatin,
sure, sure.
hi. And there are two things. If you're getting this pain after working from home, just check the height of your computer or laptop screen from the table and how it is comfortable. Elbow height is very, very important for when you're working. That is a comfort area. Otherwise, you slouch or you try to keep your neck up or down. Second is height of chair. When you're sitting, you should be comfortably sitting. So these two things and the distance of the laptop or your desktop, you should check. These two things really will help you to adjust your neck posture, and maybe you break down your work at 1.5 hour. एक 5-10 मिनिटं you take a break at 1.5 hour 1 hour for 5-10 minutes. Take deep breaths, gentle stretching of the neck and upper extremity. That should be good enough. You don't need to do anything. In case your pain is persistent, probably you can just check with a basic X-ray and maybe a blood test if your pain is not settling at 3 months. Otherwise, I think you
Okay.
should do well.
Yes, yes. Thank
This
you
is
so
one
much.
caution again.
Yeah. So yacha memory foam, it is related. I would just like to add a point to this. It's
Yes.
see movies, we see series, we visit foreign countries, we see, this memory foam is very trending nowadays. And
Yeah.
looking at the lifestyle of people who are like, celebrities.
Yeah.
तर हा जे काही आपल्या घरात प्रकार चालतो की आता आपण कुशन्स अँड ऑल दे आर व्हेरी सॉफ्ट और बेड्स मॅट्रेसेस सो
Yeah.
हाऊ मच दे प्ले रोल इन आवर होल बॉडी फिजिक पोस्चर अँड पेन अँड ऑल.
So I will again. Is it
या
okay if I talk about one story, small story, quick?
शुअर सर या
So we had a businessman, and he was again with similar neck and back pain, which was not settling for 5 to 6 months, and he had done all the possible things. He went to various different doctors and different pathies. He did treatment, but his pain was not settling. Then he said that someone informed him that he should take this kind of a mattress and things like that from China. And this is a story again around 2 years back. So
या
this gentleman went to China to buy that particular mattress and that bed because he was a very rich guy. He was a businessman from Pune, Pimpri Chinchwad area. And he got it, very costly one. And he came, and when he came to me, he was already having that foam and bed for 3-4 months, but still his pain was not settling. And then he came to me. He told me, "Doctor, इतना मैंने खर्चा किया, तो भी मेरा दर्द कम नहीं हो रहा है." So and this is one example. There is one patient who came to me, and I asked him कि डॉक्टर मैं बेड यूज कर सकता हूँ? बोला कि क्यों, बेड तो यूज करना चाहिए. नहीं, मुझे 10-15 साल पहले डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि जमीन पे सोना चाहिए, तो मैं तब से ही वॉज वर्किंग इन इंडस्ट्री, तो तब से मैं जमीन पे ही सोता हूँ, घर पे आके. पूरा फैमिली बेड पे सोता है, मैं जमीन पे सोता हूँ. तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, आई थिंक देयर इज नॉट मच ऑफ अ रैशनल. Unnecessarily, if you realize long back, like 20 years back, 30 years back, we used to have cotton mattresses. Now we have foam and different electric and things like that, soft cushion mattresses. So I think foam plus coir is good. You don't need to unnecessarily spend too much of money for these kind of cushions or foams or things like that. You need to strengthen your neck. You don't need to spend too much of money on these unnecessary ornaments. If you strengthen your neck well, you just need a simple pillow, normal pillow, foam plus coir, or a cotton pillow should be fine. But if you really want to use and try, there is no harm. There is definitely no harm. You can use that memory foam, but it's not something which is scientifically proven, I will say.
Yes, thank you so much, Dr. Shailesh sir. It's been a very fruitful discussion, interaction, I would rather say, and I think our viewers are really happy with this. I just want you to give a closing note, and also I would like to request you your time schedule when you are available in hospital, like how people can approach you, if you can just put some light on that.
No. I'm available in Sancheti Hospital. Normally my days are Tuesday and Saturday. morning 10 a.m. Till 2 or 3. And I'm available in Aund also. We have our clinic, Asian Spine Clinic, in Aund, ITI Road. But in case you have a problem, you can go to a local doctor in the vicinity wherever you are residing and take the expert opinion from them. You don't need to directly come to me, but if you feel like you should meet me, you can. You are always welcome. There is you can directly go on Sancheti Hospital's website and you
Sure.
can connect with us. Shouldn't be a problem.
Yes. Yes. Thank you so much, sir. And we wish you all the best from Punekar News and all the viewers. And we hope you stay safe and healthy also. Yes. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
Kamlesh, and all the viewers for giving time on a weekend. Looking forward for a healthy and better life for all of
Yeah.
you. Stay safe, stay
Yes.
healthy,
Yes.
and see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Bye bye.